Okay, how to take a 5th gen 4runner sway bar. So obviously, take out the 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Put the bracket like this. Take it out. Let's take it out. Take out the one on the side, the outside one. The outside 2 bolts. Take it out. And once it's out, all you have to do is lift it. You see the sway bar? I'm holding the sway bar. This is the sway bar. Turn to passenger, like I'm doing right now. See, this is sway bar. Passenger. Okay. Passenger. Slowly. Make sure you watch for the brake lines over here. Okay, and then pull this side, on this side, my right side, pull it, and voila, sway bar is out. Thank you.